Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to create and share design folders in Canva Pro. This feature is super useful for staying organized and collaborating with others. Let's get started. First, open your Canva account and head to the Projects tab. This is where all your ongoing and completed projects are stored, and it's a starting point for organizing designs into folders. Next, click the Add New button, then select Folder. Give your folder a descriptive name, like the project name or the type of designs it will contain. Once named, click Continue to finalize. Your folder is now created but empty. Open it and click Add Designs. A menu will display all your saved projects. Select the ones you'd like to move, then click Move to transfer them into the new folder. Keeping designs organized this way makes managing projects so much easier. Each folder becomes a neat little hub for a specific theme or client. Now let's share it. With your folder open, click the Share button in the top right corner. Enter the email address of the person you want to share with. Double check for typos, then click Share Folder. Once shared, your team or client can instantly access the designs. This makes collaboration seamless, especially when working on multiple projects together. And that's it. You've successfully created, organized, and shared a design folder in Canva Pro. It's a small step that makes a big difference in staying organized and boosting collaboration. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.